Midjourney tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely incredible application called Midjourney. Okay, it's totally AI related, and to start using this, first of all, I'm going to show you the showcase where people have actually shown what they make using Midjourney. And Midjourney is obviously pretty independent. Now, to start using Midjourney, you're going to click on join the beta, where they're going to make you join a Discord server. Okay, Midjourney only works on Discord. So they're going to give you a Discord server where you can go ahead and make things like these. Look at this art. It's absolutely out of this world, isn't it? So what you're going to do is you're going to add prompts for yourself in Midjourney. Okay, so look at these prompts. Now, to make this, what you're going to do, again, Discord, you're going to continue to your Discord where you're going to accept the invite. And once you do that, you're going to run up your Discord. Now, I'm already in the Midjourney server, so let me show you how it works. So once you run up Midjourney, as you can see, it loads you in, so make roles and stuff. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Midjourney server. Now, Midjourney server is going to be right here. It's going to look somewhat like that. Over here, you're going to go to any room, okay? Now, generally, you should go in the general room. So let's say I'm going to go to general 9, okay? So there's tons and tons of room. Now, to generate something, you're going to write /imagine, and then it's going to give you a prompt, okay? So in this prompt, you're going to write whatever, like, red color in the sky, etc., something like that. And that is how you can use Midjourney. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Free AI video generator. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a free AI video in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Synthesia in a very quick way. So Synthesia is basically a generation platform where you can create an AI video using these AI models over here and some texts, okay? And it's totally free, no credit card required. Just sign up with their page and they give you 140 plus avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and 60 plus pre-designed templates. You can also create your own avatar, but that does take some cost. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. They're going to give you a standard avatar. You can add videos over it, and then you can also add text prompts under it. So synthesia.io, use it right now and get the best free video AI generations. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun, and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're going to wait for it to search up, and it's going to give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur, or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like, you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This is very interesting, guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs, as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by Dalio 3, which, as you may have guessed, is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here, guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean. That is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here, guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website. You can share, you can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes, so it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it. Okay, this is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image, guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two stages of liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost, that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? This is kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Media Studio and how you can utilize different projects by simply using the AI image generator from Canva. All you gotta do is to come over here on the apps inside the Canva app, and then you want to scroll down and look for different apps that are currently trending. You can find something that you like, you can find something new, you can find something that is recommended from the app itself, but we are going to look for Magic Media. We're going to use Magic Media because this is the proprietary and it's very fast. It works easily. You will be able to understand exactly how you can generate images, logos, and other projects. So when you come over here, you want to use a brand new design if you don't have an existing one that you want to change. When you click create a new design, we're going to use the AI image generator to create some new social media post. So previously we did some logos, we did some small adjustments, but as you can see over here, you can create a t-shirt design, right? You can sell something. We have a desktop wallpaper. So for example, if we want to create a desktop wallpaper, this simply will change the ratio of our image. So the way how the Magic Media works is that you will have this window where you're going to input your prompt, and then if you scroll down, you can essentially change the layout or the filter or the style of which will apply to your image. Also, if you want to change the aspect ratio to a landscape in our example, simply because it will be a wallpaper, right? You can do it. So create a Hawaii vibe place with infrastructure like New York City. make the beach in the middle of the city around Times Square. Okay, let's see let's see how this crazy image will look like, guys. But essentially this is how it works. So you're going to get like a 4 different versions of this image generated from the AI, and you can pick which one you like. If you don't like any of it, or you want to change something, right, you can simply scroll down and you will have an option. Like for example, I can come over here and we can continue our prompt. We can include more stuff as we like to, right? We can add more details and we can click generate again. This will give us another example. If I click on one of the images and simply make it larger, this is one of the benefits of AI. You probably wonder what is it. The benefit is that even if you make an image large, this will not ruin the quality, because this is not a JPEG, right? This is why this is so good, and this is why we really like it. So essentially this is how nice, and if I zoom in, you could see that this looks awesome, right? Can you imagine this really to be true? We have this crazy beach. It reminds me of Chicago, to be honest with you guys. But this is how you can create a wallpaper using Magic Media on Canva AI. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator on Canva. Very easy, guys, very simple. The first thing I want to do is come over here at the canva.com. You want to stay on the home page, and when you're over here you want to click on the upper left side of the screen where you see the 3 straight lines. This will launch additional menu, and then you're going to click on the apps. Then you want to click on discover apps. So you want to make sure you browse all the apps over here. So the first thing that we're going to focus is we're going to actually look for the Canva's own proprietary technology app, which will be Magic Media. So in this example we are going to utilize Magic Media. This is the first icon over here. In this example we are going to use the AI image generator of Canva's AI. We are going to create a brand new design, and as you can see over here you have like a pre-made templates for anything that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a story, if you want to create a logo, if you want to create an email newsletter, presentation, anything is here, guys. So for example, if you want to create Instagram post, you have the square option over here. In our example we're going to create a logo, and the way how this actually works is that when you come over here you have to type a particular prompt. When you type the prompt, you also have to choose underneath the style of the prompt. So in our example, we are going to create New York City in the space with flying cars and what else, and like connecting roads in the space to other planets. Okay guys, so we pick this one and we're going to select our style. You can just pick something else, right? You don't have to be some of these styles, but you can collect all of these styles. These styles will change the way how the image actually looks like after it's generated. I don't like any of it. You can also have the option see all, so you can pick more styles, but I want to see how the city will look like without the actual filter on top. So as you can see now, the AI generates the image based on our prompt. Usually works pretty fast. As you can see now, we're having the first image already generated, and it looks Very, very cool. The second one, oh, look at, yeah, I think this is very, very nice. So if you click on the image itself, you will see the best thing about AI is that even if you adjust the size of it, right, it's still going to look very, very cool. It's not gonna reduce the quality as the usual JPEG that you will have. I want you to remember this. Now, if you click on the upper side, you can essentially copy. You can paste elements on top of it like a usual Canva project. Remember, this is something that will find its shape and its form, right? So this is how you change the current aspect ratio, and then you can essentially go back, or you can create another file over here and create a mockup for let's say a collage, right? Let's go back and let's see how the other images actually look, because the main idea was that when you actually utilize Canva Magic media, right, this is just one tool. Remember, it is very important for you to know exactly what you want to create and to input as many details as possible. The more details you input inside the prompt, the better the output and the results will be. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator inside the Canva app. In the previous videos we went through animation apps, we went through DALI, we went through Magic Studio. You want to make sure you watch these videos, guys, so you understand how to use these apps, what kind of results we got. In this example over here, guys, I'm gonna go through Imagen. So this is essentially based on AI software coming from Google. Very, very interesting. I have a huge hopes about this. I read good things about it. So let's jump in. The first thing that you want to choose is, are you going to create something from scratch like we are planning to do, or you have existing project in Canva app that you can import and start working on it. In our case, we're going to choose a brand new project and we're going to create, I would say something nice, photo wallpaper. This sounds cool. Okay, so as you can see over here, turn your text into photorealistic AI, a beautiful oil painting of Bergen. You see what are the results. So let's dive into the prompt itself. Create a painting of Monte Carlo during the winter. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. So Google Imagen will simply give you only two variations. DALI will give you two variations. The Magic Studio will give you four variations. So the result content does not meet our policy. What is the policy? I don't know. Oil painting of Monaco. Another try. We didn't use any brand, right, guys? We just used the name of the city, Monte Carlo. They thought we're probably talking about the casino Monte Carlo. Okay, guys, we do have some results over here. Wow, look at this one. Let me type for you. So you can always make these pictures larger by simply dragging the corners. I don't like the ratio of the template, right? We have to move it on the side so you'll be able to see, but I think it's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful. Do you see all the details of Monte Carlo? It's beautiful. All the marina and everything. Just think about now if you have like some of these crazy printers that can print like the actual materials, right? They can print with particular like a pronounced design that it could be like you can touch the whole difference in the buildings, right? It's amazing. This is how you can use Imagen from Google, guys. I think this is my second favorite. The first one still remains to be Magic Studio from Canva AI. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.